How to fix lag in Delta Force Mobile. In this video, I'll show you a simple way to reduce lag in Delta Force Mobile. Step 1. Open the game and tap the settings icon in the upper right corner. Step 2. Go to Graphics and Sound. Set every graphics option, textures, shadows, effects, and frame rate to low. Close the settings menu, the changes apply automatically. That's the quickest in-game fix. If you still experience lag or high ping, here's an extra solution. Bonus tip, try Exit Lag. Exit Lag optimizes your connection routes and can cut ping dramatically. Right now, there's a special 50% discount through my link in the description. Check it out to save while you boost performance. That's it. Enjoy smoother gameplay, and remember to like and subscribe for more tips.